Tonight's wood stove dinner is a request from Howard for hamburger gravy over mashed potatoes. There she goes. Let's see if we're ready. Oh! Yet. I need a little table or something over here. Oh, look at that. Let's get that all chopped up. So we've got onion, salt, pepper, garlic, in goes the flour. Give it a good stir. Let that flour soak up all that juice. We'll add a little shot of low sodium soy sauce. A couple of shots of Worcester sauce. Get that all. Oh yeah. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take some hot water from the kettle here, pour that in there, and we're just going to let that simmer until it's time to make our mashed potatoes, which I'm going to use instant today. Mashed potatoes and green beans. Hamburger gravy. See you later. Alrighty. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. I need to scrape it off the bottom. Yeah. And you know what? I don't need to put the oven on there anymore. But I am going to add a little bit more water for the gravy. We'll leave that kettle on for the instant mashed potatoes. And we're going to put a pot of green beans on the edge of the stove here for later. See you at supper. Alrighty. Howie should be home in about 10 minutes. And there's our hamburger gravy. Here's our green beans. And I'm going to take this all over to the counter so I can make my instant mashed potatoes and dish up dinner. Okay, so here we have some instant mashed potatoes. Not the flavored kind. Those have too many chemicals in them. This is just plain potato flakes. We're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Water from the wood stove kettle, because I don't have to boil a kettle if I don't need to, right? I know it's just instant, but guess what? It'll do the job, won't it? And just a drop of milk. Just a drop. And now we sit and wait for Howie to get home. Alrighty. Father is home. And he's hungry, he says. So, let's start with them mashed, whoops, I'm firing stuff all over the place. Nice pile of mashed taters there. Green beans all along the side like that. Little bit of butter. Yeah, it's a mess over here, folks. Don't judge. It's my day off. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There it is. Look. Whoops at that. All right. Oh, that's good. Let's take that to Father and see what he says about our next wood stove meal. What kind of shampoo smells like a flower farted?
Tresemme.
Oh, I can't use that stuff. Here you go. Even the water for the instant mashed potatoes came off the kettle from the stove. This is just what you asked for, mashed potatoes.
One of my favorite meals.
Hamburger gravy over mashed potatoes with green beans. Look at your baby. Not too, just a piece of meat, not any gravy or anything, because it's got onion in it.
That's green bean.
She says, but it's not meat, Daddy. There it is. I think she's getting a little spoiled.
How you always have green beans.
Well, she's, you know.
Green bean?
There we go. Thank you, darling. Well, at least he didn't ask for dessert. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying...
What's for dessert?
We're not amused. Take care, God bless. Little ingenuity, and you can save a lot on your electric bill by cooking on your wood stove. Take care, God bless.